How will the button layout of the iPhone 16 Pro differ from its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro? According to Macrumors, not by much. After reviewing several prototype designs of the upcoming smartphone, the site reports that Apple is sticking with a familiar layout. The latest design, referred to as Proto 2, closely resembles the action button on the iPhone 15 Pro, featuring independent volume up and volume down buttons. Apple considered alternative designs, including variations of a unified volume button, independent volume buttons, and a larger action button, sometimes flush with the frame and sometimes not. Notably, the report suggests that Apple has abandoned the idea of making the action button capacitive for the next generation, signaling a cancellation or a postponement for future iPhone models. While this might be a minor setback for Apple, as capacitive buttons are often more reliable and flexible, it doesn't mean the iPhone 16 Pro will be identical to its predecessor. According to the Macrumors report, the capture button, although not capacitive, is still present on the other side of the handset. Despite the term capture button implying a focus on photography, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman believes it's dedicated to video recording. Whether users can reprogram it for other functions remains uncertain. If Apple anticipates users filling their iPhones with video content, an increase in basic storage from the current 128GB might be expected, or users may need to consider additional iCloud space. While some analysts predict that the iPhone 16 will be a modest update, it's still early in the development of Apple's next smartphone. Traditionally, Apple refreshes iPhones in September except for 2020, when pandemic-related delays pushed the launch to October, leaving ample time for more leaks to emerge and potentially surprise skeptics.